Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Video 92, Lecture 30. It is for BSc Part 1, Organic Chemistry 2, Unit 2, Cycloalkanes. Introduction. Cycloalkenes are not very common and have not been studied as much as cycloalkanes and their derivatives. Some cyclopentene derivatives are found in nature and important in medicine. Nomenclature. See here, cyclopentene, cyclohexene, cyclobutene. When desubstituted, then we have to give numbering from the double bond. It is a 3-methyl cyclohexene, 1-methyl cyclopentene, 1,5-dimethyl cyclopentene, like that. It having cis and trans form, both form, means these are the stereostructures. Methods of formations. Dehydration of cycloalkanols. When it is dehydrated in presence of sulfuric acid, it will be give cyclohexene. Pentanol will dehydrated in presence of phosphoric acid, it will give cyclopentene. Mechanism. First, this protonatate, oxygen is, and then it is remove, cation is formed, then again it will give cyclopentene. Unsymmetrical cycloalkanols. Here the dehydration is occur according to Satyev's rule. We will get more this product, 1-methyl cyclohexane, as we had seen in the butene. Here it will be, this is a minor product. So this will be a major product. Just like we had seen in the butene molecules in alkenes. Dehydrohalogenation of cycloalkyl halides. It is again, see here how this dehydrohalogenation is occur according to Satyev's rule. Chemical reactivity. It can easily add hydrogen, bromine, HBr, HCl, water, ozone, HOCl, epoxidation, reduction, oxidation, sorry. So these are the reaction easily found or occur in cycloalkenes. Allylic substitution. N-bromosuccinimide, when it is reacted in presence of carbon tetrachloride, it will give allylic substituted product, that is this one, 1,2,3 bromocyclohexene. N-bromosuccinimide provides low concentration of bromine, so it will form bromine, and this bromine will give substitution, allylic substitution reaction. Relative reactivities of hydrogen atoms. See here, these are the allylic proton, these are the vinylic proton. Allylic carbon hydrogen bond dissociation energy having 87, whereas vinylic require higher energy. So allylic substitutions occur comfortably in the molecule. So relative reactivities of hydrogen atoms, allyl, tertiary, secondary, primary, methyl, and vinyl. The double bond determines the relative reactivities of alkenes and the orientation of the radical substitution. The cyclic alkene is brominated exclusively at the allylic position. So this is all about the cycloalkenes. So here we have complete unit 2, and earlier I had completed unit 1. In next lecture I am going to take unit 3, that is about the aromatic compounds. So thank you very much.